Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and savings challenges. So today I have for you a cash stuffing. We are going to be stuffing our sinking funds for the week along with our savings challenges. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so first things first, let's count up this money. We should have $321 to work with today. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. So 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 260, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 5, 10, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. All right, so we are going to start off with the green binder today. And first up is going to be our car down payment. That will be getting $30 today. Let's go ahead, get this in here. All right, so we do have some placeholders in this one. We've got $2,500 already in the bank. And then we have 100, 150, or I guess I should say 600, 650, 670, 690, 710, 730, 740, 745. So $2,745 in car down payment. It still amazes me how fastly this can grow, even just putting $20 to $30 each week. Next up is going to be car maintenance. That will be getting $20. So we now have 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 490, 91, 92, 93, 94. So $494 in car maintenance. Next up is going to be car mods. Car mods will be getting $10 today. So we now have 100, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 195. Next up is racing events. That will be getting $20. And this one is slowly growing as well. We've got 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 490, 500, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So $530 in racing events. Next up is going to be running. Running will be getting $25 today. And we now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 25, 30. 130 for running. Electronics is going to be getting $20 today. Oop, don't want to drop that 50. So we've got 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 165 for electronics. And I do have 175 for gift cards to go towards that. So I'm going to mark that off to the side. Next up is going to be home. Home is going to be getting 15, and I'm just going to go ahead and do that in all fives because I'm pretty sure I have some extra fives today. All right, so we've now got 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. So 133 for home. I can't wait to exchange some of these bills out. That video will actually be coming up tomorrow, so keep a lookout on that. We're going to do a bill exchange and get rid of some of these smaller bills. All right, next up is going to be clothing. Clothing will also be getting $15. So clothing now has 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, $50 in clothing. Apparently I want to throw my pen. All right, next up is going to be vacation. Vacation is getting $30 today. And I know for a fact this one will be getting a placeholder tomorrow. I am excited for that. All right, so vacation now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 500, 520, 540, 560, 70, 80, 85, 90. Oh man, we are almost to 600. So 590 for vacation. Next up is Disney. Disney will also be getting 30. And right now, vacation and Disney are equal, and so this should be 590, but let's just double check it just in case. We've got 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 500, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90. So 590 for Disney. Next up is going to be gifts, and gifts is getting $10. We're going to do 2 5s for gifts. All right, so gifts now has 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. All right, that is it for the green binder. And she thick. All right, next up is the pink. And we are going to start that off with Debt Snowball. And Debt Snowball is getting $30 today. So in Debt Snowball, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10. So 110 in Debt Snowball. Next up is our emergency savings. We are not putting anything else in emergency savings. It is currently fully funded at $1,000. After that is retirement. Retirement, I am doing a 52-week savings challenge for that. And this week we are doing $8. So 5, 6, 7, $8 for retirement. So in retirement, we now have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, $36. All right, no $1 challenge today. I did not get any bills with the letter A on it this week. We are also not doing the savings challenge. This is our credit card points savings challenge. And then next up is YouTube, and YouTube will be getting $3 today. And remember, this money is going towards our giveaway, and when my channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway on this channel. So if you haven't already, remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can be part of that giveaway. And let's see, right now we are up to 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, $22 in there. And everybody's not so favorite envelope, taxes. I am a server, and when you get paid $2.13 an hour, that is not enough to cover taxes. So I haven't done my taxes yet this year because I'm scared to look at it, but I know I am going to owe probably at least $1,000. So we are throwing money in this tax envelope so that we hopefully do not have to touch any, if not, maybe hopefully just a little bit out of emergency savings. So we are throwing in $35 into taxes today. To hopefully make a dent. So now in taxes, we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So $160 in taxes. And that's it for our pink binder. And then last but not least, everyone's favorite, the envelope challenge. If you haven't seen one of my videos before, I'm not doing the 100 envelope challenge in the normal sense. I'm just kind of stuffing in there what I can each week. And I will be doing this up until our Disney vacation next January. So I put $20 in there today, and that is it for us. We are done with the cash stuffing. Remember to tune in tomorrow for our bill exchange, and I'll see you then. Bye.